Hi everybody, this is your video for how to do assignment 1, Intro to Ecology. You are all going to be assigned a partner and a biome topic, and you and your partner are going to research about your biome, largely for the biome. Then we're going to zoom in and focus a little bit more on maybe a particular ecosystem within that biome, and then really focus in on some particular organisms within your ecosystem in your biome. And then you're going to make a big giant poster of your project. So this first page is essentially just helping you guys try to outline what kind of research you need to do about your biome, the abiotic and the biotic factors. Be very specific, especially if you're doing something like temperature. Don't just say it's hot or it's cold. Be specific and list the temperatures that you would be finding in research for that particular biome. If there is a certain pH or a certain salinity that they talk about in your research, list all of that. The better the detail, the better your grade. But this just kind of helps you to organize all of that. So the first part, we're looking at abiotic and biotic factors. Remember to look up these terms in your notes if you don't know them. Some of this stuff you are going to be able to find and understand after notes 1. Some of it you might have to wait until after notes 2 in order to understand what it is that you should be researching. So after notes 1, research those particular items first, and then after notes 2, we'll research the other items left in the sheet. But this just kind of helps you to organize all of that information. And then the second page, same thing, you're gonna be zooming in. So we have biome. For the first part on the first page, we have more zoomed into specific ecosystems and then specific organisms within the ecosystem. So here we're talking about one consumer, specifically from here, and describe its niche. Again, these words will make more sense after notes, so make sure you wait until after the notes to start researching some of it. And then some more research here, but then this part down here describes what your poster needs to look like. So you are going to get 2 pieces of computer paper that you will tape together. Make sure that you put the tape on the back. I don't care if you want the papers to be both this way side by side, like this, or if you want to turn them like this and have them side by side like that. Either one is fine with me. You guys are able to decide, but you are gonna tape the pieces of paper together on the back, and then you're gonna draw a picture of your biome, ecosystem, specific organisms, all of that good stuff, and make sure that you meet these requirements here. I have a couple of examples that I am going to throw on this video, but then also leave in the classroom so that you can see these as well. These are from last year, I think it is, and these are pretty well detailed. So you can see the food web. We have arrows for food web, which is what we should be seeing for that. We have abiotic and biotic factors in the poster. We have details. We have labels of the organism names. There's some secondary succession going on. There's all kinds of good stuff in the poster itself. So again, you want to make sure that you're using your handout for this so that you can hit all of the points in the paper and get all of the points on your poster project. These are worth more than just 1 letter grade or 1 assignment grade, because we're asking you to put in a lot more effort and detail. We're expecting a little bit more from you, so they are definitely going to be worth more and can really help your grade if you put the time and effort in to making these posters really nice and really neat and really detailed. So those are just some examples. This one's a little bit harder to track with the food web. There aren't any arrows, just lines. I don't recommend that. So this is a good example of maybe some things that we can improve on. The pictures are nice. They definitely spent some time doing pictures really well, but we want to make sure that we do have the details, because that's where your grade primarily falls. If you need to trace pictures, go ahead, but everything should be hand drawn and hand colored. And again, just kind of focus in on this stuff right here on your poster handout. We'll be working on this after notes 1, after notes 2, and then a full third day, maybe a fourth day. It hasn't been quite decided yet, probably just a third day in class, and then you might have to spend a little bit more time outside of class to finish them up. But it's a good project, it's a big project, and I hope that you guys have fun. There will be no switching of partners or topics again, so you are assigned a topic, you are assigned a partner. Make sure that you are working with that partner the whole time. All right, good luck.